What's up, YouTube? Jumping right into this video. I'm gonna start with my Vaseline, so don't judge me. I'm using it as a moisturizer. It actually really helps and it makes your skin so soft. Then I'm gonna use the Magic's rose water, spray that on top, and do my eyebrows. If y'all watch my previous videos, then you will already know what's about to go down, okay? So I'm going in with the Smashbox concealer in the color or shade dark, and I'm just gonna underline my eyebrows, make them more crisp, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the top and blend that right in with a concealer buffer brush. Now I'm going in with my favorite palette that y'all been using this palette faithfully. It's by Pinky Cosmetics and the palette is called Rustic Rose. The colors are like so for fall, but look, I will wear them every season, okay? Every season. And right here I'm just using that brown color that I showed, and I'm going to use that as a crease color. And then I'm going to go in with that you really can't even see it, I'm sorry, but this purple, this darkish purple shade, like I used the hell out of it, okay? That one is already hit the pan, the only color that hit the pan, and it's amazing. And so I'm going back over with that brown color just to blend out the purple, so you won't really, so it'll blend much better. And now I'm just gonna do a cut crease. And y'all, cut creases on my wrinkled eyes is kind of difficult, like seriously, but your girl make it happen. So now I'm gonna take this gold shade, and it's like a light gold, and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. Y'all was fixing adjusting the lightning on it. And then I'm going in with, I don't even really know what to call this color, but I'm taking that color and I'm putting it on side of the gold, and I'm going back in with the brush I used the gold on to blend into that color, just so they can blend better. And taking my fluffy brush and add that right on the outer corner and blend it in really, really well. And I'm using that same brush with that other color on it and blended it in back with the purple, so you will see no line of demarcation. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but these eyeshadows are really pigmented. I don't know if you can see it or not. This is my first time, well, not first time, well, yeah, first time using the front facing camera in my bathroom. But anyways, so the reason I ain't putting on any moisturizer is because I have dry skin. My Vaseline acts as dry skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my makeup on. But yeah, I don't know if a lot of y'all have heard of the Pinky Rose Cosmetics, but baby, when I tell you, her line, oh my gosh, is so pigmented. I can't wait to go get the bright, it's called bright something, but I'm gonna go get it and I'm gonna do a look with it. Y'all gonna fall in love. I just love using like that deep purple. It's just very pretty on my skin tone. I don't even know why I'm doing all this extra. I'm just going to a little football game. Well, I ain't gonna call it a little football game. My baby played 5'6" flag, and he's 4. He's freaking awesome. He's super fast. So I got about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna get this done. So here lately, I've been liking like bit of a highlight. So I've been using my Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hour. This one is in the color dark. Like, really? What's dark about that, bro? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so I used this one, which it kind of like, although it looked this like, I promise you, it like blends in with your skin or something. I don't know. So I do that dip my nose, and then I go in with this really light color, medium beige, in the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and use a teensy weensy beachy of that. Get my beauty blender, wet it, and then just blend it out. Not too much, y'all. I ain't going to the club, you know. I just want to cover up my dark circles. And for some reason, I done started using a lot of setting powder. Like, this is my favorite. This L'Oreal Hydra Perfects. Yes, I just dab that all up on my sponge. Yeah. And press it in under my eye. Because that really helps with creases. I used to use just a little bit, and I found myself and my clients creasing. So I goes in with the powder. Don't judge my steps, because this is what I do, okay? Okay. So then I go in with the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Palette in the color medium dark, and I use this color for contouring. Nope, I don't do the forehead, the chin. I mean, it gotta be a birthday dinner, going out with my friends, or something like that. But just on an everyday, I do contour my cheeks and my nose. And I've been using a blending brush for my nose. Y'all, it works wonders. Then I go in with my all around powder, the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, and just put that all on my face. That kind of just like help all the powders and everything blend in really smooth. And then once I do that, I go in with this. I'm going to go in with my matte gold deposit and highlight. Low key, I forgot to do my my lashes, which I would have walked out without them. I just normally do it after I get done with the eyeshadow. But the eyeshadow's so popping, you know. But got that out the way. And then I'm going to use these lashes by Miss 3D. They are the M232. So I'm just cutting off the black tips that come on there. And then I also like to cut off just a little bit more because I don't like it all the way across my eye, you know. I don't like that poking feeling. Look how cute these are. Big! I ain't gonna say the word, but I want to. It ain't the same thing, right? Because I didn't finish it. Y'all. Baby, I am so happy. Look at that. Bam. You like it? Now all I'm gonna add is some eyeliner under my eye. Like I said, I ain't trying to do too much. Under my eye, I'm just gonna add a little bit of that gold. And then a little bit of that brownish color. Then going with that darker purple. Here. So to finish this look off, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the Fenty Glow. I'm telling you, y'all, this is all you need. Y'all don't be talking about me. They're talking about I take too long in the bathroom. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put on my hair and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the final look. I had to put my baby on, and as you can see, I got on my Devil's shirt. I hate their name, it's the Devils, y'all. I really do, but it's my baby's team name, so I gotta represent. So with all that being said, this is the final look. I don't know if I already said that, but this is the final look that I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you go follow my Instagram too. It's MUAH, that's for makeup and hair, _ Kelsey J. And I'll put that somewhere on here. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. And I bet y'all always wonder, why do people always say like, comment, and subscribe? Because if you don't, YouTube is gonna hide your stuff. That's just what they do, because they feel like it's bad content. So if you want to see more videos and you want to see different looks and styles, comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want me to do, or any makeup look. Don't be shy, because I'm not. Look, I don't bite. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Until next time, see you later.